Hey, sweet friends, peach cobbler pound cake with crown royal peach. Y'all, let's make this recipe. Start off with a box of yellow cake mix. It looks so amazing, you guys. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Go ahead and give that a nice little mix, honey. Whoo, crown royal, y'all. Hot damn. 2/3 cup crown royal, 1/4 cup mix. Don't forget, you guys, the full recipe with directions is down below, so don't trip, I got you. Be sure to spray your pan very well, and then we're gonna go ahead and add 1/2 cup of brown sugar along with the reserved amount of peaches. Then we're going to go ahead and pour our batter on top of that. Y'all, it looks and smells divine already. Bake it for 350 in between 37 to 40 minutes. Be sure to check, rotate it halfway. Again, I have some more baking tips below. And if you like more recipes like this, then be sure to hit like and subscribe. Whoo, hot damn, y'all. Look at how juicy she is. If you're single, this cake is going to get you a man. But if you're baking for business, honey, I hope it gets you some sales. Be sure to hit like and subscribe.